Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking at interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will have a look at Overstock.com Incorporated (OSTK). Overall, this stock is showing very strong uptrend behavior after this famous COVID dip at around of 16-17 March. And then the uptrend is so strong that it even went higher than actually the pre-COVID situation, meaning that this stock is showing very strong behavior. This is also quite expectable for online trading platforms, which are now boosting in this all staying at home state globally. So for this stock, we can see some nice trends here. So this was like one fast trend up, and then there is another trend being formed, which is a slower trend up. And this is also confirmed by kind of a bending of moving average 20, which is still upwards. And the same moving average 50 is following in parallel straight up, which is also a positive sign. And then actually moving average 200 is having some small minima. He is bending upwards now as well. And this forms very famous 2050 200 situation, which is general for very stably growing stocks that are very nice to buy for long term. Like if stock persistently presents this behavior, it's nice to buy for a period of longer than half a year, then you definitely will have your gains. And for stocks, for traders with shorter periods of trading, you just need to watch for interesting buy and sell opportunities. So for that, let's look what we have here. And let's define those levels. So after having some maximum here at around May of 7 and being in very overbought situation, the price tried to retrace itself a little bit dip down, but then seems like it's coming back again. And this was reconfirmed by actually having this fast track, the first green light, as a support line. Then it was slightly pierced. And then actually second trend, which was simultaneously coinciding with moving average 20, worked as another support, and then it was reconfirmed at the beginning of this week. So it seems now like that now we are playing in the levels between this fast track and the slower upwards track. So this would be like a area where mainly the stock will play. Also, don't need to forget that there is a possibility that it will slightly pierce down and then moving average 50 will work as another support. So in case there is any bounce, pierce down, it will bounce most probably from here. Also, a very positive sign here is the behavior of MACD. So after having slight maximum, it went down, had some delayed shoulder, and then trying to pierce up for next week, most probably. So what can be expected here? One situation is that we will have a strong opening next week and it will start going higher, and then it will really depend on how much fuel is with bulls, how much they can pull it up, because there is no clear resistance line yet available. Other situation could be that some hesitance will come and bears will start to take over at the beginning of the week, and price could either face moving average 20, having it as another support, or pierce a little bit down. If this happens, this is really very well confirmed area to buy, so we can enter them. This would be stock box number 1 to buy. If there is any further piercing down, it will be even better buying opportunity, because then there are many defense lines, and actually moving average 200 is also working as a very strong support in this case, as well as other levels here. So there are many supports you can observe on those levels as well. So that would be the two buying box 1 and box 2. And also you can say everything before the moving average 20. You can also probably buy. I usually call it zero area, meaning like it's good to buy, but mind some funds for possible average down if in case it will be pierced to boxes 1 or 2. If this happens, then the price should inevitably actually reverse, go up higher, and then to sell, the best options would be either the previous maximum as a first resistance line, and then we will see what will be formed there. There is definitely another small resistance here as well. So we will see from the future behavior of the stock. I will definitely return to it in a couple of weeks to see its behavior and where it's going. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.